Welcome to this tutorial on compare-object, a powerful PowerShell Cmdlet used for finding differences between two sets of objects. In this video, we'll explore how to compare data collections and identify what has changed between them. This is an essential skill for system administrators and PowerShell users who need to track changes in their environments. Compare-object is a PowerShell Cmdlet that compares two sets of objects to identify differences between them. It shows you what exists in one set but not in the other, and can compare properties of objects side by side. Think of it as a tool that helps you answer questions like, what files were added? What users were removed? What changed between these two configurations? The basic syntax of compare-object requires two parameters. The first parameter is -reference-object, which represents your baseline set. The second parameter is -difference-object, which is the set you want to compare against the baseline. You provide these parameters with variables containing the objects you want to compare, like $set1 and $set2. Let's look at a simple example. We create a variable called $oldList containing three strings, apple, banana, and cherry. Then we create another variable called $newList containing banana, cherry, and date. When we run compare-object with these two lists, PowerShell will identify which items are unique to each list. The output of compare-object contains two columns. The first column shows the input object, which is the actual item that differs. The second column shows the side indicator, which tells you where the item was found. A less than or equals sign means the item exists only in the reference set, which is the left side. An equals greater than sign means the item exists only in the difference set, which is the right side. In our example, apple appears with a less than equals sign because it only exists in the old list, and date appears with an equals greater than sign because it only exists in the new list. Compare-object has several useful parameters. The -IncludeEqual parameter shows items that exist in both sets, not just the differences. The -ExcludeDifferent parameter does the opposite, showing only items that match in both sets. The -property parameter is particularly useful when working with complex objects, as it lets you specify which properties to compare instead of comparing entire objects. When comparing complex objects like files, you often want to compare specific properties rather than entire objects. In this example, we get files from two different folders using get-childitem. Then we use compare-object with the -property parameter set to name. This tells PowerShell to compare only the name property of the file objects, making it easy to see which files exist in one folder but not the other. Compare-object is incredibly useful in real-world scenarios. You can track file system changes by comparing directory listings to see which files were added or removed between backups. In user management, you can identify new or departed users in Active Directory by comparing user lists. For software inventory, you can compare installed programs across different systems to ensure consistency. You can also detect configuration drift by comparing system settings or configurations to identify unauthorized changes. These are just a few examples of how compare-object helps you maintain and monitor your IT infrastructure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.